guys, Crystal here from Crystal's Crazy Corner. How y'all doing tonight? It's Thursday, right? Got one more work day. Not too bad. We can do this. We do it every single week, so we can do this now. I mean, no biggie, right? And what happens on Friday night? If you don't have plans, go ahead and pencil us in now. The Drone Network, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, over on CaptCook's channel, with MD95 TSI, Captain Cook, and myself sitting back in my little crazy corner with special guests this week. Extra special guests this week. Skipper Drones. If you don't know him, go check him out. I will put his link down below in the description. He is an amazing guy. Flies. He's actually building a RC gas-powered RC boat. It's amazing. Check out his channel. He is a very special, talented man, and we are honored to have him as a special guest tomorrow night. Where? The Drone Network, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Like I said, over on CaptCook's channel. The link will be in the description. That is 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, different time zones. Don't forget about us. We usually run couple hours. Come by, learn something new, say hi. You never know what's going to happen over there. Don't believe me? Check out CaptCook's channel to see our previous episodes. This is episode 11. 11 concurrent weeks. We have not missed a single week. So hopefully, if you haven't tuned in before, you can tune in this week. Hope to see you there. Where? The Drone Network. 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Always on Friday. Always on CaptCook's channel. Always with Captain Cook, MD95 TSI, and myself. Make sure you stop by and say hi. Hope to see you tomorrow night, guys. Love y'all.